In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop images into shapes using Canva. This quick tutorial will guide you through the steps to creatively alter the appearance of your images, allowing them to fit any design aesthetic you might have in mind. Let's dive right in. To start off, open Canva and navigate to your desired project. Once you're there, look over to the left panel. This is your main control center where you'll find everything needed to enhance your design. Look for the Elements tab and click on it. This tab is filled with various design components like shapes, illustrations, and most importantly frames, which are essential for cropping images into shapes. Moving ahead, after clicking on Elements, you'll want to focus on the Frames option. Frames are special tools in Canva that allow you to drag and drop images into particular shapes, automatically cropping the photo to fit. Clicking on frames will open up a vast selection of shapes ranging from circles and squares to more unique options like stars, hearts, or custom geometric patterns. Now comes the exciting part, choosing the shape that best fits your creative vision. Browse through the frames until you find one that stands out. Once you've settled on a favorite, simply drag and drop that frame onto your canvas. It's as simple as that, no need to worry about resizing manually since Canva takes care of it for you, allowing your design process to be seamless and efficient. With your frame in place, it's time to add your image. Go back to the left panel and click on the Photos tab. Here you can search through Canva's extensive photo library or upload your own picture if you have something specific in mind. Once you see the image you want to use, click and drag it straight into the frame. Canva automatically aligns and crops the image to fit perfectly within the shape you selected. While the photo is now in place, you might want to make some adjustments to ensure everything looks perfect. You can click on the image within the frame to reposition it, or use the cropping tool to fine-tune how the image sits inside the shape. Feel free to play around with these settings until you're satisfied with the final look. Remember, creativity knows no bounds, so let your imagination run wild with the different styles and compositions you can create through these steps. And there you have it. Cropping images into shapes using Canva is not only simple, but also adds a unique flair to your designs. With these easy steps, you're now equipped to transform any ordinary photo into a stunning visual masterpiece. Thank you for tuning in to today's tutorial, and happy designing.